Mm. There we come to the Living Bread International School, which is being owned by Mr. Kumi. The river has just captured the school and the children are not being able to come to school again. Look at how the classroom has been flooded. There's just a house just behind the school owned by a certain man who is just even arranging the house, letting the water which is just driven away to pass. That's the man over there. That house is owned by him. The house which is just behind the Living Bread International School. This is the field view of the house. And that the man that we saw previously is the owner of the house. The river came to where you have seen the leaves of the green planted leaves there. That's where the river came to, and it's now driven away little by little.